ready for March Madness? I mean, Hog Madness. Shay, take it away.
We know you take pride in your hog, and we want to showcase them to the world. March 17th through April 6th, submit your photo online using hashtag HogMadness.
On each Saturday, one customer's photo will be selected to be featured across our social media platforms. At the end of Hog Madness, 3 top photos will be selected for grand prizes, Visa gift cards, and hog gear.
What are you waiting for?
Gear up, submit your photos, and let's make this Hog Madness one to remember.